guys, welcome to Works Product Introduction. My name is Scott. I'm your Works specialist. Today, I'm here to introduce you the Works Corded 600 watts impact drill, WX317.3. This impact drill is a powerful, durable, and lightweight tool. It tackles various surfaces such as masonry, concrete, wood, and metal with ease. It has soft grip rear handle and adjustable side handle with flat stop for enhanced comfort and accuracy on repetitive tasks. What are you guys waiting for? Let's go to unboxing section.
Welcome to Works Product Unboxing Session. This is the auxiliary handle, lever lurer, concrete and steel bit, wood bit, pliers, 25mm different screwdriver bit, glass bit, and a mini hacksaw, hand knife, PVC tape, hammer, spanner, hand screwdriver, lurer, 75 pixels accessory box, and the impact drill, Allen key. Last is the product manual and warranty card.
Thanks for watching this video. If you like this, don't forget to give me a like and share this video.